This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today, we are stir frying macaroni. I have a kid's birthday party to attend, and I'm in charge of bringing something to the party. Here's a dish that all kids will love, and adults will too. Let's start with the macaroni itself. I have here a bag of macaroni that's about 500 grams. Boil the macaroni according to the instructions written on the package. But cook it for 1 minute less than the stated instructions. This is because we'll be stir frying it later on. But try a piece of macaroni when it's done. You want the macaroni to be cooked through. You don't want the middle to be hard and undercooked. When the macaroni is done, drain it and mix in some oil to prevent the macaroni from sticking together. For this dish, we will also need 200 grams of frozen mixed vegetables. Cut up 4 sausages. Any type of sausages will do. I'm using some chicken sausage here. Chop up 3 cloves of garlic. And 1 stalk of green onions. I'm using 300 grams of minced beef here, but you can use minced chicken or minced pork instead. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to stir fry. In a hot pan over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, fry the garlic, the spring onions, and the sausages for about a minute or so. Then, add in the mincemeat. Fry the meat till it changes color. It will probably take about 2 to 3 minutes. This looks a bit dry, so I'm adding a little bit more oil. Break up the mincemeat as you fry them. Next, add in the macaroni. Mix it up a bit, then add in the mixed vegetables. Season this dish with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and about half a teaspoon of white pepper. Mix all this really well, then taste and adjust for seasoning. When it's seasoned the way you want it to be, and the macaroni is heated through, we are done. This is stir-fry macaroni that all kids and adults love.